back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kiana Mercado, aka Kikido, and this is Milana, aka Mimi.
Pop and die. I already know what to do. Come on now, some light.
Okay, so as you can tell, she's only 13 years old, but I'm going to be using her as my model today. And yeah, I'm going to be showing
What you know about that?
Okay. That's it. Okay. And I'm going to Shh. Milana.
Sorry, that's so funny.
And I'm going to be Okay, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do freckles. It's so easy to do. You literally only need 3 things, and it literally takes less than 5 minutes, and they look completely natural. I hope you guys keep watching. Stay tuned.
And y'all better not leave. You're going to catch these hands, dog. Come on now.
Okay, so these are the 3 products I'm going to be using today. 99% alcohol paints, and a chip brush. So I'm going to be using Cedar Brown, and I'm actually going to be diluting it in 99% alcohol. You want this very faint when applying it to the face. If you notice, freckles are just a little bit darker than your actual skin tone. Everyone varies, but this is just the way I do it. It's very up to you what color browns you want to use. But I'm going to be using Cedar Brown to create that faint look on her skin tone. And I'm just diluting it in a little bit more of the 99% alcohol. So next you're going to use that chip brush that you just picked up the alcohol paint with, and you're going to use your finger to flicker it against the face. So if you notice, freckles are all over the body. They can be just in a certain area. It's up to you where you want to put them. I'm just going to keep it in the cheekbone and nose area. And with this finger technique, it's going to naturally disperse the paint across the face to create that natural freckle look. I noticed with a lot of other makeup looks techniques of doing freckles, people paint them on and it still just doesn't look natural. So with this technique, it really naturally spatters them across the face. And then you're just going to continue this technique. That it wasn't really showing up on camera, so I'm going to use a little darker color to actually go in there. Make sure to dilute it in a 99% alcohol, and then you're just going to continue to use the same technique. And if you notice, I'm kind of dabbing the alcohol paint. That's just to create a more faint look of the alcohol paint. If you like it more strong, then you don't have to. You can skip that step. Okay, I'm just doing some last finishes. I told you guys this tutorial was very fast. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And here's the before look. And this is what it looks after. Just remember that you can always add more if you like more. But yep, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Okay guys, I told you that was a fast tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any ideas. I would love to do them for you guys. And make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Peace.